Alam mo ba minsan, mukhang okay ang baby sa mata mo. Pero sa ultrasound, iba ang kwento.
Stop the car. You'll be too quiet.
Pasok si Mami, 24 weeks. Wala raw nararamdamang problema. Kumakain, gumagalaw si baby. Pero nung nag-ultrasound ako, may napansin akong hindi typical. Mas maliit yung sukat ng baby compared sa dapat na growth. Tahimik lang ako, pero I double-check everything. The blood flow, the placenta, amniotic fluid. So OBGYN ultrasound, we don't just look for the baby's face and gender. We measure the head circumference, femur length, abdominal size, and we assess the blood flow through Doppler, like how nutrients and oxygen are being delivered. Sometimes, signs of IUGR or intrauterine growth restriction or early signs ng placental insufficiency shows up weeks before symptoms appear. Kaya kahit mukhang okay, pwedeng may early warning signs na pala. So next time na magpa-ultrasound ka, don't just look for cute 3D photos. Ask your OB, kumusta po yung growth ni baby? Kompleto po ba ang findings? It's more than a picture. It's your baby's health profile. Dr. Carla here, your OBGYN bestie. Real talk lang, walang filter, just facts, care, and science.